It's 1 a.m. The streets are empty, but we know already that missiles from Iran is on the way to Tel Aviv. Soon we will hear the siren. And a few hours ago, they sent more than 100 missiles into Israel. Most of them were bombed in the air by Israel, but some of them fell. And a few of them actually fell in Tel Aviv as well, not so far away from my house, but I'm not sure that I know. But in about, I don't know, 1 or 2 minutes we will hear it. And we know we do have, from Iran, we do have around 8 minutes to organize ourselves. Then I woke up. I went down with my gimbal. And you can see a little bit of some people here, and I'm not sure that I will stay to see the missiles, because that was horrible. I mean, one missile from Yemen, it's okay, it's only one missile, but 100 missiles from Iran, it's like a little bit dangerous. And not because it's from Iran, it's because it's 100 missiles. Then are you waiting with me? Can you feel the tension? Am I crazy? Of course I am. But as you know, I'm documenting everything about Israel. I do have more than 21,000 videos on my YouTube, and this is a good reason to subscribe now to my YouTube channel. But my Facebook and Instagram, you can find there different things that you won't find. All right. Gosh. Now I have something like 1.5 minutes to... All right, I can see something there. I can hear the booms. פה, יש מקלטים פה. יש מקלט כאן. יש כאן מקלט, כנסו פנימה. כנסו פנימה, הדלת פתוחה, ותרדו למטה. כנסו לכאן, יש מקלט כאן. יש פה מקלט! יש פה מקלט, כנסו למקלט! כנסו פנימה, ימינה, ותרדו למטה. Now, in those siren of Iran, it's not that you have to be, you don't need to be only 10 minutes in the shelter. You need to be more than that until the government tells you to go out, because it's much more dangerous. And I am crazy? Yes, I am. And I'm crazy because I know that it might fall in Tel Aviv. You can see the silence. It's crazy. A few hours ago, we had the booms. It was so loud. I can see something there. I'm not sure if it's a missile. Yes. I don't know if it's Iron Dome or not. I don't know if you saw it. But it looks like it's not really in Tel Aviv this time. Wow, I'm totally crazy. I'm so happy that my wife doesn't know that I'm here. She's now staying with her parents. Hoppa. It's a little bit far. Oop, I don't know if you can see it. All right. Oh, wow. All right, now I can hear the booms. I can hear a lot of them. Now it's definitely reached my area. If it's okay by you, I'm going into the shelter as quick as I can. פתוח, 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 פתוח. וואו. היי! שלום!
כן, כן, עכשיו, כאילו, הראשונה...
עכשיו זה הגיע לכאן. מה את עושה פה?
אני לא רואה כלום.
זה משקפיים, זה קרה לי אתמול. Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
You can hear the transistor. We've been asked not to leave the shelter. We don't know if someone been hurt. There's a rumor that a missile hit one of the skyscrapers somewhere in the center of Israel, but we don't know a lot. They say that some places been hit by the missiles, but they know that something happened to the real estate. But no, we don't know about we don't know if people have been injured. Well, IDF told us that we can leave the place. We've been here for 40 minutes. Of course, I didn't actually, I didn't take every moment of it. I know a shortcut. And lets me go outside to see if everything is more or less the same. And yeah, it looks like everything survived here. The garbage is still here, waiting for the city, the garbage truck to take it. The sky now beautiful and clear. Well, for the let's see, for another hour, and then you will see me again. Guys, thank you very much for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.